Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you add music to a post on your Instagram's feed. So now this option might not be available in some countries, and I guess for me it's available. So I'm going to show you how it's done, but in case you're unable to do that, I want you guys to download a VPN to try it. But without further ado, let's jump right into it. So before I jump right into my Instagram app, I want you guys to make sure of one thing, that your Instagram is already up to date. So I'm going to go to my Play Store. Oh sorry, I'm on my App Store, right? So for Android would be a Play Store, for iOS it's the App Store. I'm gonna search for Instagram. Now next to Instagram it says open, but in case if it was not updated, it would have said update. So we're sure that our Instagram is up to date. So let's open our Instagram, and then we're gonna look to post something on our Instagram. For example, this meme. For example, if I press next and let's just add whatever caption, test. Let's just add test in case someone sees it. So next what we want to do is, if you go down, you see on the middle area there is this add music, and now you can search for anything that is available on Instagram Music. Sometimes what you're searching for might not be available on Instagram Music, so nothing that you can do about that. But whatever is available, for example this first one. Could you find a way to let me down slowly? So next I pressed done, right? That is all you need to do, and then you can just press on share. Could you find a way to let me down slowly? Now you can see it's playing the music. A little sympathy, I hope you can show. So that was all you needed to do in case you wanted to, add music. But in case you don't have access to the music option, there's a big possibility that Instagram Music might not be available in your country. So well, first thing, you already made sure that your Instagram is up to date. The next thing you would want to do is use a VPN. Use just any VPN that works for you. Like for example, I use this sometimes when I'm trying to access something. So obviously they all have their ads and stuff. We're gonna get rid of that. But yeah, you can just use a VPN, and you can just connect to the VPN. Once you're done with that, you can try that again. If it does not work for you, then you can just reach out the Instagram support. But I guess you won't need to do that. So that is pretty much all you needed to know from this video. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.